How to boost your income? So this is the common question, and most of the people will be having this question. So let me, like, after reading some books and especially the 80-20 principle, I felt that we can decode how to increase your wealth using a three-step formula. So using the 80-20 rule, I when I researched, I came across this one important point where I can see the like wealth distribution. If you see, 80% of the people are having 20% of the wealth, and 20% of the people are having 80% of the wealth, and top 1% of the people or a visionary are having minimum 50% of the wealth around the world. So if I when I got decoded this formula, that is the the way they think, plan and act is entirely different from what the 80% of the people are currently doing. So what the 80% of the people are doing is, first they will act and they think, and they fall into trap of, I can't come out of this commitment, or I'm not able to manage my money. I have so many credit card bills in my, like, I have to pay, or a monthly EMI I have to pay. So this is what the, like, rat race trap that most of, like, 80% of the people are fall into. They start earning the money. So I just wanted to have this three-step formula for anyone to follow, and easy to follow steps. So first is how the 20% of the people are working is, they first think and act, and they plan their activity. So this is what they do is, first they think about what are the ways that they can get money. So around 80% of the people, what they think is, I have to trade my working hours to get my salary. That is what in general people are thinking. But the top 20% or top 1%, they think entirely differently. Okay, I'll trade the hour, but what are the ways I can like leverage my timing so that maximum earning can be get in. So the second is how to manage money. This is where most of the 80% are falling. Like for an example, in my case, what happened is, I started with less than 10K salary in 2000, say around 2005 or 6. As my work experience increased, within 5 years, I got an more than 400% increase in my income. Like my salary growth was good, but at the same time, I fall into trap of the credit card bills, the EMI, the car loan, you name it. I add this all this loan repayment on every month when my salary hit my bank account. At the same time, all my money, most of the money expenditure used to go for this paying of the EMI. So the managing money is very important part if you want to, like, have a good financial wealth. The third part is how to multiply money. There are multiple ways you can multiply money. If you add this money, if you manage well in first step, the multiply option is, like, you get a multiple option to multiply your money. So for that thing to work, so you have an option of, like, get money, manage money and multiply money. In coming videos, I'll be decoding most of these three steps that I told you. So till then, have a great day.